This little town near Rotterdam is called Maassluis. On the side of Maassluis, I found a cycle charging spot somewhere in this town. But on Google Maps, I couldn't find any. So, this is my first project to add a cycle charging spot to Google Maps. But before I can add it to Google Maps, I first need to find the place. So that's what I'm gonna show you now, guys. Let's go. Yeah, as you guys can see, the clouds are getting darker and darker. We didn't know we're heading to a little storm in Maassluis. So yeah, we continued. So let's see how it goes. So we need to get on the other side of the stairs, but I can't drive with the scooter on that. So I need to take a way around. So let's find out if I can find one. So yeah, here's the point that it started raining. So we wanted to find some shelter, but we couldn't find any. So we're standing near a balcony of this building. We were like 100 meters away from our destination, but we were waiting till the raining finished. So. Zo! Ik zag video. Ik zie dat zijn ze.
Ah ja. Hey, top.
Dit is hem.
Oh, kijk hoe mooi recht.
Zeker, ja.
Nou, dit is toch top.
So we're finally there. The rain didn't stop us. We needed to take some pictures, add them to Google Maps, and then drive back. Guys, here you can see the results. My own cycle charging spot on Google Maps. Guys, I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. I see you the next time. Bye.